Cost accounting in a manufacturing firm. Fundamentally, a manufacturing concern who manufactures goods gets the raw material from a supplier. The goods that are made by the manufacturer are sold to customers. Thus there is existence of a supplier for the supply of raw materials to the center of production. Goods that are manufactured at the center of production and customers who are interested in getting what is produced at the center of production. Most of the cost accounting, as was told earlier, happens in the center of production or in a manufacturing concern or a firm, more typically in the purchasing department and stores, and their interface with the raw material suppliers. In a store, for instance, the materials are requested from the store by virtue of material requisition slips done for a job or work order in the center of production called factory. In a manufacturing firm or the center of production, cost accounting deals with direct materials, direct labor and overheads. Customer interfacing departments, normally sales department, customer service, etc., stay outside the purview of cost accounting.